Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, it's that time of the month again. It's time for the Boxycharm unboxing. The theme this month was Life of the Party, and it was curated by Laura Lee's Los Angeles, who actually has a palette in this box. So for those of you that don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly makeup subscription where you pay $21 and you get between 4 and 5 items in your box, of full-size products, that is. Now this month we actually lucked out and we did get 6. The retail of this box is always way over what you spend on the monthly subscription, so you're able to try out new products for only $21 a month. I will leave a link in my description box below if you're interested in signing up. So this month I decided to just do an unboxing to show you guys what I received in my box, and I'll swatch anything that I can. So if these are the kind of videos you like, give me a thumbs up, as well as please subscribe to my channel. We're so close to 1,000, and without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so first up in my box, I did receive 3 Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Now it says that these gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. So these normally retail for $13, and I'm assuming it's $13 a piece. I'd have to look into that. Now, lately I am into anything that's skincare related. I'm into anything that's going to help this face continue to look as young as possible. I will say a tip that I have is any under eye masks I do have, I always apply those right before I'm going to do a full face of makeup. I feel like it just brightens up the under eye, kind of leaves, the look of those bags a little bit, and just makes you look youthful. Next up is from Bang Beauty, which I have never actually used this brand, so I'm excited to try this, and it's their chocolate eyeliner. It says that you can use this as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows, and it retails for $22. I do like that it comes in like a little glass container. It looks really chic. Just kind of swatch it with my hand and see. Ooh, it's definitely like a thicker kind of sticky consistency, like a pomade. So I'll have to play around with that and let you guys know how it works on the eyes. Alright, so next up on the list is for your nails, and it's from the brand NCLA Los Angeles. It retails for $18, and it's a vitamin E infused cuticle oil. It states to gently apply and massage into the nails and cuticles 2 times a day to nourish and soften your nails. Well, I'll say after going through pregnancy, everything that makes you look beautiful during pregnancy, like your thick hair, your beautiful nails, you lose all of that when you lose your hormones. So my nails have been so brittle. My hair ends look horrible. I mean, I'm losing my hair, to be honest with you. So this is something that I'm definitely going to use to help strengthen my nails, to kind of grow them out a little bit more. So fourth on the list in my box is a new palette from Laura Lee Los Angeles. Now I want to say that I absolutely love the outside of this packaging. It is so cool looking. So everybody received the Party Animal eyeshadow palette, which is a 6-pan palette that also comes with a mirror. Now as you can tell, it's really bright colors. She came out with 2 in this collection. This one obviously is the bright colors, and then there's other one that's more neutral, and I think it's called like a Boss or Boss Babe, maybe, something along those lines. So this palette does retail for $19. Now, to be honest with you, these are not colors that I will ever use. I'm more of a neutral person, so I don't want to waste this palette by even swatching it. It's absolutely nothing against Laura Lee's brand at all. I have her Cat's Pajamas palette. I absolutely love it. These honestly are just, not colors that are my preference. So I decided that I am going to give it away to one of you guys, somebody that would be interested, and plays around with more colorful eyeshadows, and that would really get use out of this. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, as well as maybe just leave me some love in the comment section. Now this giveaway will end on the 24th, and it is open internationally. Now as far as the palette goes, it does come with 6 shades. So there's a deep blue, a lighter blue, a lime green, an orange, a pink that looks like it has some shimmer, and then a purple. Okay, so the next thing that I received in my box was actually the Tarte mascara, but I traded that with a girlfriend who would, get used to that out of that, and then she traded me for her lashes. Now these are in the style Bombshell, and from what I saw online, it looks like they retail for maybe about $9. Now, as you can see, that these are really dramatic, so we'll have to see how they go with my eye, because sometimes if I do a really dramatic eyelash, it really closes off my eye and makes them look really small. So I have to see how these work out. And also, I have never used anything from this brand, so I'm excited about that. I will say that these lashes seem to have a really thin band, and that normally makes it really easy when applying them. They seem to sit on your lashes a lot easier. And the last item was the Smashbox Be Legendary Pucker Up Lipstick Palette. Now there was several different options you could receive in your Boxycharm this month. The palette was one option, but then there was other single lipstick items from Smashbox, so it was all kind of, the luck of the draw. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. There is a lot of neutrals, and it does have a mirror, as well as it comes with a brush, which is nice. And this palette retails for $24. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna swatch a few just to see how they feel. They definitely are really creamy. Here are just a few shades swatched for you. Now, I'm not the type of person that uses or likes to use the brush to apply it to my lips. I probably honestly would just go in with my fingers, but you know, it's good to have this tool if you are somebody that really likes to carve out your lips. All right, well, that was everything that I received in my Boxycharm for the month of August. Now, again, it retails for over $100 and you only spend $21. So remember, if you want to enter my giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, which why wouldn't you? Like this video and maybe leave some love if you have a free second down below. All right, I know this was a quicker video. I just want to show you guys what I did receive in my box this month. So remember, give me a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Take it easy.